Hey, this morning I got my glasses on, sunscreen. Dania, mom's going to class, and yeah, good sunlight. Baby, Dania's gonna go put it, take her upstairs, tuck her in her seat. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
I know I look. You got sunscreen on?
No. You got something to go back?
No.
I got shea butter is sunscreen.
Okay, well, yeah, she good. We are in Millennium Park this morning doing Pilates at 8 a.m.
Damn,
Okay.
I thought it was yoga.
No, it's Pilates.
Oh, God.
She thought we was coming to relax. No, baby. We about to stretch out. Okay? We about to work our bodies in the morning. Okay? So, yeah. The sun is shining. It's going to be 94 degrees in Chicago. I got to get home before then, but we shall see. But we're in Millennium Park. It's been a very long time since I've been up in here. Very long. She's trying to get in the cart like a wagon. That's the bean. Y'all see the bean? The bean. It's over there. Hey, say hey, bean head.
Oh.
Okay, we are going to the Great Lawn here. And that's where class is gonna be. Yeah, cool, great. We came at a perfect time. I'm trying to be in the front. You see how much space this is? I am not trying to be all the way in the back. I need to be able to see my girl do her movements, okay? Great line. Great line. They have concerts, movies in the park, all types of things here. Oh, how do you get in here? Get in, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Good job.
Okay, what's up, y'all? So we are currently in Millennium Park, the Great Lawn, about to do some Pilates with Raven. I don't got on no sunscreen, but I got on my shea butter, and shea butter is sunscreen, baby. Shea butter is all the things. But it feels good outside today and yesterday and the day before. I've been choosing to have the days that I want to feel best in. Yeah. So taking it easy, taking it slow, because baby, the mind.
Don't forget, we only have 30 minutes on there. So.
Okay. Now she's saying to rush it up, stop talking as much. All right. Well, I'm sending out my intentions and prayers up for today to just continue to shine and bless the mood, bless the energy. I mean.
Thank you, Nike, for sending us the double team 13s.
Hello, everybody.
Hello. Hey, Raven.
Hello, good morning. My name is Raven Harris, and I'll be your Pilates instructor for today. Thank you for kickstarting your weekend at our free Millennium. In front of those hips and your quads. Slow pull. Breathe in and out. Can you lift your head and shift your feet? Last 4. Flat back. 3 more. Grab water. Good work, team. Double leg stretches next. It's a great time to grab water. Stay. Breathe in and stretch. Then and pull. You got it. Deep breath in. Stretch. Baby down. Give yourselves a round of applause for being here. Clap it out. Right and left. We clap it out. And left. Clap it. Relax. Great work, team. I'm feeling thumbs up if you're still with me. 2 thumbs up if you're still engaged. Woo! Let's go. We'll go 2 and stretch. 1, 4, 5. Keep lifting. Inhale to lift. Exhale to reach. Straighten out those legs and try to keep the heels planted. And heels planted as you ground back. Okay, we're back in the routine. Last 3. That my wonderful friends, and lower down onto the mat. Exhale at the top. Bring all the air with you into your side as we roll it. Exhale, exhale. Pass it down here. Down on your stomach. 1, 2, 3. Happy summer! Woo, thank you, Millennium Park! Woo, thank you, everybody!
I almost kicked her because our mats are so close. My nails match my mat. Didn't turn around and say hello.
Hi, welcome to my first time at Pilates in the sun.
Hello. The Bean. I truly haven't been to the Bean since like 2010 or something. So hey Bean, it's me. Hey Bean. Hey spooka doop doop doop. The Bean. Bean. It's the Bean guy. Baby, now I'm sweating. We're under the bean. Bean head. This is why everybody call everybody Beanhead in Chicago, because we got the big bean. Y'all ain't know that. Learn your history. Danielle trying to get on the bus the whole time. We finna take an adventure. We finna go somewhere else. We not finna get on the bus yet.
That's fine. Treat me out, baby girl.
Treat me out. You wanna go sit in some shade though? Lemonade stand. Huh? No. She said she don't wanna hold the yoga mat. She finna throw it in the trash. I'm hollering. And they say Shot City, it's just such great architecture. Just me and Dania. Okay. We just needed to find some shade, so we literally just sitting and relaxing. No need to rush. No need to rush. Gotta see. Yeah, so we're just chilling. Hopefully Dania will buy us some breakfast. Okay. No. It was worth a try, but it's very early still. We want to see if we can catch a movie. It's like 9:30. I don't think the movie theater is open, but we're about to try. Dania, we're about to try. We need to go to sleep.
Hey, how are you? Hey. Follow me on the lead.
I want to see a movie. It's this movie about dating. I don't know the name of it, but I want to see if it's playing. But I also don't think the movie is open as early, so we're gonna see. Ooh, it feels so good. It's closed? Okay, so yes, it is closed. It's too early for a movie. I guess, dang, this is for the early birds, for real. Y'all need to open a movie theater that open at like 9 o'clock. Okay, so Magnolia's is open. Strawberry shortcake pudding. I need that. They have strawberry matcha. Are we about to try strawberry matcha? I actually, if they have other flavors, I would get that. And I actually do want to try it. I want that caramel. I want that vanilla. Oh, it's chocolate.
Oh wow, this is.
Hey now, hey now. Okay, I got an ice cold brew with caramel. They only had one flavor of matcha, and they said they actually not doing matcha today, but I didn't want the strawberry one for real. But baby, this needs some more syrup. It's not nasty, but it ain't it. It is what it is, though. We're back in here. We're waiting for the bus. Ooh, cold. This used to be a Disney store, and now it's virtual reality. We are in new times. That's, I want to say sad, but hey, life goes on. We on the bus. I'm gonna move once I get around here. It's my first time on the bus in almost 5 years. When was the last time you got on the bus?
Before the fashion show.
Okay, I ain't got on the bus since I got my car. That was 5 years ago. Bless. Okay, do you want to take a walk to the lakefront or go to the park and swing on the swing?
We can go swing.
You gotta make sure you're reapplying your sunscreen. In there. Walking very far, and I'm not ready yet. Good. All right, we about to go to the park now. But we driving because Dania doesn't want to walk. She got her steps for the day, babe. Yeah, so Dania, say hello. Hi. Let's swing. Hey, okay, we just got back home from downtown and the park. Feels great to be home, even though I did want to stay out longer, but I am about to shower and relax for a while. What a great way to start the morning. I feel so great. It's not even 11 o'clock yet, but I've done so much. So great. It's not even 11 o'clock yet. Don't know what the rest of the day, don't know if we're doing anything for the rest of the day, but that was a great way to start. Pilates is so great. It's so relaxing and challenging at the same time, and I really love that for me. But for now, I'm just going to shower, relax, and I have a video that I'm working on, so I have to finish editing that so that I can post that today. Yep, and then having to find some lunch. I really want a jerk chicken salad. I know I'm not gonna get it though, because I'm not gonna get it because I'm not gonna buy it. So, but yeah, happy Saturday. It's a great day. Happy first day of summer. Let's see what the summer does for us. Look at Shadon. Shadon is getting on the boat. It's Chicago Yacht Weekend. She's getting on the boat. We're playing Uber. You gotta make sure your friends get to y'all the destinations safely. Okay? So she looks so cute. It's the white zebra gold for me, yeah. And the bust down. Yeah, so we're gonna make sure that she gets there safely. And then we're gonna see what the rest of the day has in store for us. She's gonna be lit. I'm gonna insert some clips of her on the boat because I just know she's gonna do a handstand, a split, and then she's gonna jump off the boat into the water and come back. It's a sight to see. It's a sight to see. So we're gonna see. We gotta make sure she gets there. I gotta write all that down. Yes, I love that. Period. Look at it. Look at it. We on Lakeshore Drive. We gotta drop Shadon off on Lakeshore Drive because that's how busting it is. Okay.
I love y'all so much.
Love you too. All right, have fun. Send pictures. Yeah, don't send pictures. Just have fun. I'll see the pictures later. Be safe. Be safe. Walking over there. Fix your phone. Girl, she's trying. Miss Shadon, she's so cute.
Wish I'll take my ponytail hold out.
When you get on the boat.
Here. That's these niggas.
Shadon, get your grass out. Right. Yay, yay, yay.
You're so cute.
She's so cute. And now, to the farmer's market. I should have saved my little $6 from the iced coffee so I could buy something at the farmer's market. So that's okay. All right, y'all. We made it to the farmer's market. Let's see what we're gonna see here. Where's that? Oh, farmer's market. Talk about some good jerk chicken salad. Look at you. Chow, chow. Tasters. Farmer's markets. We're just walking around. There's a coffee shop this way too. That's what I was going to tell you. Yeah, I'm gonna go look at it. So we at the farmer's market at Bill Coffee. And I should have waited to get my iced coffee from here because they have a pecan pie latte with local pecan syrup. Oh, and it was the same price. Spicy mocha, cardamom rose latte, hibiscus. That sounds so good. Chocolate croissant. I'll buy another one. Say I want. Y'all selling oatmeal for $10 is crazy. Oatmeal for $10 is crazy. There ain't no oatmeal in the world that'll make good ones. All right, we did a nice little walkthrough, but we heading out now. We're gonna come back. All the coffee shop is open 7:30 to 3. Saturdays 9 to 3. Good to know. Good to know. Yeah, no, I want to come back. I want to try that pecan pie latte. I want to try that. But yeah, just a nice little walkthrough. I know I want to come back and get some of the smoked salmon dip. I didn't see them out there today, but I've seen them outside when I went the first time, and I need that on a bagel with some cucumbers. Need that. Ooh, I want a nice sandwich, like a veggie sandwich, but it won't be veggie because it had a smoked salmon dip, but it'd be like smeared. That'd be good. Note to self right there and try that. Look, y'all, it's Dania.